Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the best Echo Show devices you can buy in 2026, from stunning displays to smart home powerhouses. Stay tuned to find out which one is perfect for you. Starting at number 1. Wall mount for Echo Show 11. The wall mount for Echo Show 11 and Echo Show 8, 4th generation, is a practical and space-saving accessory designed to securely hold your smart display while enhancing viewing flexibility. Built from durable aluminum, this adjustable mount features smooth swivel and tilt functions, allowing you to easily position the screen for the best viewing angle whether you're standing, sitting, or moving around the room. Its integrated cable management system keeps wires neatly organized for a clean, clutter-free setup, while the sturdy construction ensures stable support. Designed for easy installation with included hardware, this wall bracket is ideal for kitchens, offices, or living spaces where saving counter space and improving accessibility are key. Number 2. Amazon Echo Show 15. The Amazon Echo Show 15, newest model, is a large, versatile smart display designed to serve as a central hub for home organization, entertainment, and smart home control. Featuring a 15.6-inch Full HD touchscreen, it allows users to manage calendars, to-do lists, weather updates, and family schedules through customizable widgets, making it ideal for kitchens or shared living spaces. With built-in Fire TV, it provides access to popular streaming services like Netflix, Prime Video, and YouTube, turning the device into a full entertainment center. Powered by Alexa Plus, it enables hands-free voice control for smart devices, music, video calls, and daily tasks, while also offering a smart home dashboard for seamless device management. Designed for wall mounting with optional stand support, the Echo Show 15 combines functionality, connectivity, and modern design to enhance everyday home life. Number 3. Amazon Echo Show 21. The Amazon Echo Show 21, newest model, is a large, immersive smart display designed to act as a central hub for home organization, entertainment, and smart home control. Featuring a spacious 21-inch Full HD screen, it provides ample space for managing calendars, to-do lists, family schedules, and widgets, making it ideal for kitchens and shared living areas. With built-in Fire TV, users can stream content from popular platforms like Netflix, Prime Video, and YouTube, turning the device into a full entertainment center. Powered by Alexa Plus, it offers hands-free voice control for smart home devices, video calls, music playback, and everyday tasks. Its sleek design supports wall mounting or stand placement, while seamless connectivity and intuitive controls make it a powerful all-in-one solution for modern, connected homes. Number 4. Amazon Echo Show 11 with more viewing area. The Amazon Echo Show 11, newest model, is a versatile smart display designed to enhance home organization, entertainment, and smart home control in a compact yet powerful form. Featuring a vibrant 11-inch Full HD touchscreen with expanded viewing area, it delivers clear visuals for streaming content, managing schedules, and following recipes. Equipped with spatial audio, it provides richer sound with deeper bass and clearer vocals for an immersive experience. Powered by the AZ3 Pro chip and designed for Alexa Plus, it offers faster performance, smarter voice interactions, and personalized assistance for daily tasks. With a built-in smart home hub, seamless connectivity, and privacy-focused controls, the Echo Show 11 is an all-in-one solution for modern, connected living spaces. Number 5. Amazon Echo Show 11, 2026 release. The Amazon Echo Show 11, 2025 release, with adjustable stand is a versatile smart display bundle designed to enhance both functionality and convenience in modern homes. Featuring a vibrant 11-inch Full HD touchscreen, it delivers crisp visuals for streaming, video calls, and managing daily tasks, while spatial audio provides immersive sound for entertainment. Powered by Alexa Plus, it enables intelligent voice control for smart home devices, schedules, and content, making it an ideal all-in-one home hub. The included adjustable stand adds flexibility with smooth 360-degree swivel and up to 40 degrees tilt, allowing you to position the screen at the perfect viewing angle for cooking, working, or relaxing. With its sleek glacier white design, built-in smart home capabilities, and enhanced usability from the stand, this bundle offers a stylish and practical solution for connected living. Thanks for watching. All product purchase links are in the description below. If you found this video helpful, hit like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for upcoming tech reviews every week.